me a favor. Pick me up, take me out later. Don't worry about no paper. Too obvious, okay, I like your confidence. Oh, that's what could come is okay, like Kalani is. Roger like Kalani is okay, here at the parties, right here at the parties. You better start a whole fire, now I'm on fire, I need some water, I need Tyler, I need Ramani, Rebecca, Serena, Selena, let's start a whole choir, I like the way that you get your own back, you don't need no one, help you inspire, But I'ma add to you, I'ma give you some best, I'ma add to you. We're on the avenue and I ain't never seen no one bad as you. Maybe I'm serious too, they can't disrespect you, I gladly shoot. I don't play about mine, I don't care, I'm addicted to you and it's clear. I love the way your body is that too obvious? Okay, I like your confidence.
Don't run away, say hello, do not provoke me. Say hello to the camera, Junior.
That was boy.
Kinyaka room tour. Ira room tour.
Oh, apaya. Constitutional hill. It's Gold Reef City, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. This is FNB Stadium.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else?
This building, this one, or Tambo Airport.
That's OR Tambo Airport.
International Airport.
Okay.
Okay.
International. Okay.
This is your remote button there, motor. Yeah, starts the Ferrari.
We got you.
Like a Golf 7.
Alright. Let's see the Golf 7 now.
We continue like
Alright,
this.
my boy. Yes.
This is a cruise ship, okay?
A what?
MSC cruise.
Oh, cruise ship, yes. MSC, yes. Right.
Le. You mentioned the biggest mention in Africa.
Right.
Spartan High. School in general.
Right.
And then this is it's an office when you want to get divorced and stuff.
Okay.
Law firm.
Okay, so where are we now?
Right. Like a military base, okay?
Okay. Right.
The military base is unique. Last is a Mall of Africa, okay?
Right.
This is called, what's the name of this? It's Abu Dhabi, okay?
Okay.
So when you go to Abu Dhabi, guys, you have many opportunities, okay?
Right.
Your girlfriend, like this.
Right.
This.
Sporty now.
Minister, Department of Education. Okay? Okay.
Right.
Again, this is flights of a airplane, guys, okay? One of one, most unique.
Right.
Yes, air taxis. And then this is my dream house, guys. As you can see, very rambunctious, okay? It's very rambunctious. We continue further.
It's cool.
Like this. Kusheshe there.
Kusheshe.
Right.
Right.
We continue further like this. Like this. What's this thing called? What's the name? Oh, you vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner, guys, okay? And then this is the kid your parents wish they had. Hi, Nina.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, very smart and rambunctious like this. And then this, it perfectly represents my brain. That's why it's so dim. Okay. I won't say much though. It's fine. Lena sofa lamapho. Yeah, baby zangani lamathuba. I am a put. Lamathuba. Ngiyazi ukuthi mina vele nginamaphutha. I'm not trying to take shots at anyone. Okay. Let's call up. Isofa lamathuba le. Bengithi 30,000 rand. Cling!
Right.
That was a bank notification. Oh shit. Ish. Saying nearly 1,000 rand, okay?
Kule phone yakho le.
1,000 le. It's not to spend on girls, okay? It's to spend on your sisters, guys. So please, if you have older, not brothers, your sisters, if you know sis, ngicela nimtholele ni plastic surgery ngoba bonke abosisibethu babi maras collab, okay? That thing is called a HD camera.
Okay.
Right?
For what?
If you want to take city tours, you don't need to go on a bus over Lukibelala.
Right.
Each Johannes scale bag injan.
Right.
And then this thing. Lokhu nje lento eveza lo mfana loya o handsome manish bukan lento like this. Like this. Right guys, now I'm gonna be professional. Please follow me. As you can see, this is a 16-inch Samsung TV. Okay.
Right.
TV screen. Right. Again, this is just the reflection of your dream guy. Girls, so please, you must sleep at night. I know you're not gonna sleep at Maraskola. There's this thing removes pimples, guys. Okay. So if you have pimples, just get a malendo who's over like this.
Right.
ANC then. Okay? Let's go down. Lana. This is where you throw your boyfriend. Guys, you have a place to hide them after you kill them, you get, so you can be with your dream guy. Okay, guys, and then this is my wife, Prophet. I go to hide the guy. I'm jealous, guys. I got mind looting when I'm a side chick.
Right.
We continue like this. Like this. Says language. Transparent. It's like my heart, ladies, okay? I'm very transparent and honest. Okay?
Right.
Look for.
Right.
Temple to the bottom of the ocean.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
So if you ever wondered if mermaids are real, because you're elevating in life like this.
Right.
Dark like my past, and like it was dark like my ex-girlfriend's heart, okay? Maranya's beauty is only young.
I can't just get her out of my mind. Okay, see, the problem is, anytime I close my eyes, I see her. I see her face. I see her shape, standing there singing to me.
Right. And then over here, you have my neighbor's car, guys, okay? I'm there for the weekend, so I can drive the poor people to this place. I don't even know what the name is, but you're in LA, okay? Lentole lingana nekhanda lesister lami makasikhola siyamayiza, okay?
Right.
And then njengoba sengishilo nayiba i-head office ye-Department of Education, okay? Isihlabisa akusasu-age ubani ngomusho.
Miles.
Naloyo. Isihlabisa sakhe.
Draw.
And then this entire area basically, kuseMadagascar la yabo, i-island le. Not just any island, the most expensive in the world, okay?
Right.
Right. Go for it.
Aibo.
It's funny kanjani lady. Wow.
That's sad.
Right. Jamaica manje.
Right.
Yeah. This is where Bob Marley used to record his music, but it's one of one. That's why I will tell my group Right. Yeah. This is where you get your haircut. You give me the money because I'm the best barber in the world, and basically abanjay luthi wonke amabhaba wenu except for the bad ones. But trainwe yini yayibona le.
Right.
Nice.
This is my firstborn daughter, basically.
Okay.
Okay? Ingane yami yokuqala ngimzale 1965. Sekana 43 manje. It's my firstborn daughter. Ngiyambona ukuthi gorgeous unana.
The math is not mathing.
No, okay. Before I catch my feelings, let's continue with it. And I CCTV ngiyabona ngithi bebantshontshela ifoni ukuze yini ngizokukhomba ukuthi ubani ngithathile. Check ama-camera la basically yabo. One of one. It's like 1 of 15. I have the other 19 ekamereni nakasikhola.
The math is not mathing.
Lesi isitulo Ramaphosa lesi yabo. Mara ngimbolekile, grandship esami, mara ngimbolekile just because he wants to look big phambi kwabo-Trump and then ngiyibona lento.
Right.
South Africa is a failing economy. Mara that's gonna change in a few years when I'm the president, guys, okay?
Right.
Ngifakela ama-elevator kuwonke ama-high school so you don't have to walk up the stairs anymore like this. Siyaqhubeka. Ngisaba amanzi engingazwani nokugeza. Ibhavu le. Yabo, ibhavu.
Right.
Lento le. Whenever you feel dirty, you just come in. Uthathe insipho na insipho. Okay?
Right.
Then uyageza. Nigeza, especially la mara no, if you go to the gym you can bath once a week because when I like vele yabo. As a judge, we understand, but it's fine. Then this again, Bafetu. Please don't judge her. Like my sister's head, guys. Like perfect representation, okay? Then yabo lento ukuthi flat kanjani. It's like her brain. So the head and the brain, okay? Like this.
Right.
Lacy, this is my bed, guys. Like it's made for my uncomfortable yabo. And then this is, you see that thing, that red thing that we saw in the garage. Utim imoto ya umpete wakhe lo yabo, like this. Usiswami ulalala. Akafuni ukungiwelcome ungamanga akamiwelcome ekamereni, so let me quickly ulalala, okay? Like this. Right. And then I just found out that this is my grandma Bafetu. Sakhuluma ngamakhanda. Ngiyayibona. Perfect representation. Wazala ngibona something. Yabona ibheka. Ayalingana like 100% and right. Nice siyawaka. Bafetu, as you can see, this is the Empire State Building, okay? Bayibizanga Empire, right? In New York. Big Apple. And right next to it, because I make the impossible possible. Burj Khalifa le. Ningangibuzi why it's shorter, because it's artificial, guys. Like I own the world, so I can do whatever the fuck I want. Young Toil, you'll blur that out, okay? We don't promote swearing, kids, okay? Like this. Off it.
Right.
Bambala. Yes, well, fit. Green for money. CREAM. Green. Cash rules everything around. Imali le bafethu mara ngidisguise ezutshani indaba zami zokuthi angifuni ukuthi abomakhelwane bangitshontshele yayibona lento and stuff and I just had a monkey. No, I thought I had a monkey, but it's just my ntwana.
Bitch, I see what you did there.
As easy guys, I know, like he's a buffoon unlike me, and tell me I'm very sophisticated, like this and like that. Mara siqhubekeni. Bese lokhu bafethu. Yes, 101. And like lento le laba trainela khona ikung fu yabo. Uzwani sondela. Sondela wena ngecamera. Do this here. Listen to. Yabo. Outing in Shelly. Why your boyfriends must train Muay Thai, not boxing, yabo? Come. I'm back. Nyayizwa lento bafethu. Training karate like Ren Sharp, so ngitshela indoda yena ukuthi ngayishaya. Ngitshela indoda yakhe ukuthi ngamkhahlela ngembonye. Ngishaye nobabakhe, umalume wakhe, ubhuti wakhe, umkhulu wakhe, idlozi lakhe, bonke nje. Yayibona lento like this. We go fed. Pause. Bafethu. Yifreezer le nyabo. This is where I keep human organs.
Right.
Like this. Yeah, banda Ren Sharp, yabo. It's very cold because I don't want that your ex-girlfriend's heart stinks.
Oh, you can see the steam, my brother.
Yabona nje uthi la. The steam layer is from their brains. Yabo angithi nabo bathi nabo khanda shisa because you're very stubborn. That's why they steam here, okay? Especially pretty girls. Whatever you do in your life. Mozanzobon. Yabo loku. Lento lena. It's my blood boiling because I touched the water and my hand is royal. So every time I touch something, it becomes hot, yabo. That's why your girlfriends shisa after they start talking to me, guys. I would say unkulunkulu ba blessing it go up. You would jeba kalukuluma nam. That's why batlo nyayibona lento.
Mara malfasi jaw. Mara ke game, ariye, rata ke train yaye, ariye.
Okay, ask her that.
Right.
Right. That's a man.
Right? Hey, my phone.
Yeah. Like this, come. Hit me for real.
You?
It's a joke. Perfect technique, okay? Hold on, finishing after this.
Okay.
Like that.
Aye. The Dan pig.
Go on. Mshaye. Yamsaba. Okay.
That's what could come is okay, like Kalani's. Ride you like Kalani's, okay, here at the parties. Right here at the parties.
Yeah. They said I'm too much to handle. Watch on my wrist, not a bangle. All these bad bees saying I'm their twin flame, so I had to blow out their candles. They keep saying that I'm next up. I was up before I even had a next up. Don't do much, but I still get claps. Man, I getting shook and looking at their weather apps. I'm the weatherman, Mike in my heavy hand. Give me 16 seconds and I'll pepper man. I don't watch man, cause that's why for that. If she breaks my heart, I won't cry for that.
Look.
Used to be rock, these days I clean up. I'm up a hippodrome, fried rice and grilled duck. In the dance and they're cooking off my face now. I'm not famous, but I'm kinda bait now. When my tape drops, it's a long day. Getting goosebumps when she heard my song play. From here on, don't rub me the wrong way. I'm married to the game, my fiance. I'm rapping like Jay, where's my Beyonce?
Look at the boys. Don't provoke me, okay?
Minangazi. You wishy wish. Yeah, guys, man. Yeah.
Baba's on the road.
It's already fucked up.
Yeah, that's an outfit. Nazo. Yeah. Manje kwamele ngihambe ngiphethe isigqoko sakho. Awu. Nazo futhi mntana, ngisefake isikhwama sakho. Hey.
Favor for me. Do this one.
kahle kahle yakho le vlog ne lokho kuvela wena okuyavela ku vlog yami eyakho kushuthi le vlog
With them boys, I'm a social dancer. Okay, let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip. Ooh, now one.
Yeah, bro.
Yay! Make a wish and cut your cake.
But nonchalant, you. Are you nonchalant or nonchalant? Attention. Like this. Asambe.
Ndakakuthi kusahane muva.
Audio.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.